Ever wondered how dumpling wrappers are made? Here's what happens behind every pack we produce at Chou.
It all starts with flour, carefully handled and prepared. This is the foundation of every dumpling wrapper we make. The flour is then mixed using a machine to achieve the right consistency. This step is crucial to make sure the dough is smooth and evenly combined. Once mixed, the dough is flattened through our machine. This process helps create an even sheet, ensuring consistent thickness for every wrapper. We pay close attention here because even thickness means better texture and better cooking results. After flattening, the dough is cut by hand into individual wrappers. This step allows our staff to check quality and shape before packing. Once cut, the wrappers are carefully placed into their product packs, ready for sealing. Each pack is sealed to help maintain freshness and protect the product during storage and transport. After sealing, labels are added so customers know exactly what they're getting. We even experience the process ourselves to better understand every step behind each product. Lastly, the consume before label is added to make sure customers know when the product is best enjoyed.
That's how our dumpling wrappers are made, from flour to final pack, with care and consistency in every step.